Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video I would like to show you my completed religious diamond kit that I purchased on AliExpress. This is a finished icon of a Virgin Mary that was bought on AliExpress a few months ago for around $5. This kit is a partial crystalline diamond painting and mostly the whole area is covered with diamonds except of the face and the hands. The kit contains 17 colors. All of them are crystals. There are no resin drills. The kit size is 25 by 35 centimeters. And I actually like how it turned out. In comparison to my previous kit that I was reviewing a few days ago, sparkle wise, this kit turned out better and it sparkles more intense off the camera. The drills quality was also better than the previous ones. I cannot say that the drills were perfect. Maybe 60% of the drills were really beautifully faceted and the other 40% were flat and cloudy inside. So I spent a lot of time selecting the drills of better quality to glue on this diamond painting so that it would sparkle more. I did not even keep those drills. I trashed them because I managed to select good quality ones, and the ones that were trashed were mostly, well, I cannot say that they were damaged, but again, they were not faceted, they were flat and cloudy. So that's how it looks. This kit is going away as a gift to my manager. I actually diamond painted the same design before, but the original image was creased here in the face and it didn't look really very well, although I did enjoy the result, so I decided to purchase the same design again. This one was packaged much better, no creases on the face, so once I frame it, it should look even better than that, and I will give it away as a gift. So I really like how it turned out. I like the selection of colors, mostly gold ones. I like the blending of the colors on the picture. The only thing that I did, I replaced a few kits with crystal AB diamonds. Here they are, that we left, no, they were not left from another kit. I bought them separately from AliExpress, like AB crystals. Can you imagine? Yeah, they are not just regular resin AB drills, they are crystal AB crystal drills. So they're crystals but with some AB on them. And these ones are the same. So where I put them over here, the clear ones, over here the yellow ones, and I also use diamond dots ones here so that it would give them image more sparkle, you know. So I hope you like the video. This is it for today, and most likely I will record another video unboxing of one of the kits that I purchased yesterday. If you follow my channel, you saw I got 5 diamond dots kits from Michaels, and we will see what comes inside. So this video is kind of short because again, the specifications of this kit is the same as the previous one, and I already diamond painted such an image before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video and see you soon.